Greetings everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where we explore some of the most captivating and interesting topics of our time. In today's video, we're going to delve into an emerging phenomenon that is on the cusp of transforming the world as we know it. We're going to talk about what could happen if AI is combined with human beings. Yes, we're going to examine the potential implications of this convergence and how it might impact society and our future. And the implications of AI and human convergence, we must first comprehend what this integration means. The integration of artificial intelligence and human beings refers to the point at which we start incorporating AI systems, tools, and technologies into our lives. This could take the form of wearable devices, integrated chips, or neural implants that form a neural link between the human brain and the AI network. Moreover, AI-enabled prosthetics can also be used to provide people with missing limbs or paralyzed limbs with the ability to perform functions again. This integration could have some fascinating repercussions on the way we function and interact with the world, and we're going to talk about them in detail. Part 2. Impact on medical sciences. One of the most significant impacts of AI and human convergence could be felt in the medical sector. The integration of AI with human beings could substantially transform the way we diagnose and treat various medical conditions. AI-driven diagnosis and treatment regimes could significantly improve the accuracy of diagnosis, identify new treatments, and pave the way for precision medicine. With AI-driven prosthetics, paraplegic or amputations may regain their mobility, return to work, and live fuller lives. Moreover, the overlap between AI and medical sciences could lead to the development of new technologies such as nanobots or targeted drug delivery systems. This convergence could see the emergence of new therapies that could be tailored to treat multiple diseases. AI medical collaboration could also pave the way for the development of new monitoring systems, with the potential to reduce the number of hospitalizations and give patients more autonomy. Part 3. The future of work. AI-human convergence could also have far-reaching implications in the realm of work. AI-powered systems and tools could augment the work that people perform. This could lead to a more efficient and productive workforce. However, there are concerns that AI could also lead to job displacement. Certain jobs that are repetitive, mundane, or dangerous could be replaced by AI-driven systems. However, it is also predicted that AI will lead to the creation of new jobs. From AI trainers to software developers, solutions architects, and more, the merger of AI and human beings could see the creation of new roles that require skills that are currently not in demand. Part 4. Ethical considerations. Perhaps one of the most significant concerns about the integration of AI and human beings is its ethical considerations. Many are anxious that AI-human convergence could pave the way to dangerous technology that could threaten personal privacy, autonomy, and freedom. There are worries about the scope of data collection and its use in targeted advertising, political manipulation, or cybercrime. Moreover, there are concerns about who owns the data that is being generated and how it's going to be used. When two distinct systems merge and their workings become interdependent, there needs to be regulation over the use and dissemination of data generated after AI merging with human. Conclusion. So, there you have it, folks. This is what could happen if AI combined with human beings. The integration of AI into our body could transform medicine and pave the way for precision therapies. In the world of work, AI merging with human beings could lead to job augmentation and the creation of entirely new jobs dealing with the technology's nuances. Nonetheless, technological progress must also come with ethical considerations that regulate the use of data and safeguard our privacy. The integration of AI and human beings could be game-changing, but only with the proper infrastructure in place. It can become a reality. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to comment and share your thoughts and suggestions. See you in the next video.